Hey guys, today I'm going to share two very useful things with you guys. I think one is useful, one is just nice and to look at, and maybe someone will find some use of it. But one is definitely useful, and that one is this rechargeable stove lighter. I have used many like this size. They have very little battery in them, and they're not easy to use. And the mechanism that they use is like metal that shines up like a rod, and then you can use it to burn your cigarette. So they're basically for cigarettes. This one is not for using smoking cigarettes, which is what I'm looking for. This is to use on stoves like gas stove, natural gas stoves, or you can even use it to trigger fire as well. So it can burn paper and things. So this is definitely a step above of what I have been using. So let me actually show you. As you can see, there is a micro USB as well, and then the lighter, so it charges by micro USB. The claim is that it can last up to 1 hour. This is our lighter, the length, you can see the length, and then on this side we have a micro USB charging port. On top we have this 5 LEDs to show you how much charge is left, and when it is charging they will probably blink to give you the sense like how much it has been charged. This is our hanger to hang it to something. This is the main button. Okay, so one thing I noticed right off the bat is that this is not some button like that you push. You have the push and then again move, then it, and if as soon as you leave it, it comes back. So, and it takes quite a bit of force. So I don't think a child, even for example a 10 to 11 years child, can actually turn it on. It requires a good amount of force, so maybe for safety. So as you push it, you can see the two terminals comes up, and after certain level you can see that they start triggering the spark between them. So the current flows between them at a very high speed, as you can see, and then there is a spark, and it is really comfortable to hold. This stuff feels like either it is metal or feels like metal, maybe good type of plastic, but whatever, it feels really good to hold. Let me take a tissue or something to actually show you if it triggers something or not, like it can actually burn paper or not. And the claim is that it is waterproof as well, like even if you dip in water and then you do it like this, it will still work. And I think it should work because it is just current flowing. See, it has started burning right away without taking any break. And let me actually put out the fire because I don't want to set my room on fire. So it burns it really fast, and it's really easy to hold. Length is good, which is when you're turning on geyser or stove or something, and you can carry it in a bag. Even on camping or something, you can use it. It's a really good thing. I think definitely recommend it. It will cost you around $10 to $15, whatever will be the price. You will be able to find it here, and definitely recommend it. Second thing is, I actually wanted to recommend it, but once I received it, I realized that it requires cells to be inserted it, and these gloves are not rechargeable. So like that kind of gave it away. I did not like that part. If these had been rechargeable gloves, then I would have really recommended them to anyone. So I'm not going to recommend them, but I'm still going to show these gloves to you because they are cool. So they are gloves with small assemblies on top of them, so very easy to work with. So these are the gloves. I don't know if I'm not sure if I wore them correctly because of the left and right thing, but I think you will get the idea. So this is the on off button. You turn it on, off. There you go. So you can work. You can write something, read something. You're doing some maintenance work. You can do that, and it is quite, let me actually turn off some light. See, so it may feel like a small light to you, but it is not. That is enough to do any work with it, small work. So I think I find them really cool. They have small button batteries right here. This is the on off button. I find when I looked at them, they looked really cool, and each costed around $2, so not that expensive as well. I will leave the link to buy both of these in my video description for anyone interested. This I would recommend, this I would not, because of the not rechargeable nature. But if someone thinks that he needs it, yeah, go ahead and buy it. You will be able to find the link in my video description. So yeah, these were the two things that I really wanted to share with you guys. I think I found them really useful, and I hope you guys enjoyed them as well. Take great care of yourself. Bye.